how to fix this disk doesn't use GUID partition table scheme error. So if you want to fix the disk doesn't use GUID partition table scheme error, then just follow the steps. So the first step you need to do is you have to go back to the installation windows and click on disk utility. And the step 2 is when you open up your disk utility, all the connected physical drives will be shown. There are some physical drives that are hidden, so to view them, click on View on the top bar and then click on Show All Devices. Once you've done that, all your hidden drives will start showing up and you can select your MacBook's internal drive. And once you've done that, on the step 3, you need to click an Erase button at the top of the disk utility window. This will bring up the Erase dialog box. And on the fourth step, in the Erase dialog box, set the format as APFS. Set the scheme to GUID partition map. You can name the disk if you want, but it's not required. Make sure encryption is set to none. And then on the fifth step, you need to triple check you have selected the correct physical drive or the disk drive to erase. Erasing will delete all the data on the drive. So make sure that you've selected the correct one. And then click Erase to confirm the changes and reformat the drive. Click on Done. And then the final step is when it finishes erasing, you can exit disk utility and follow the screen instructions for installing again. And now the disk doesn't use the GUID partition scheme error won't appear. So that's how you can fix this problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.